Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to add color swatches in the Shopify Horizon theme. First of all, open your Shopify dashboard and from the left vertical menu, click on Products. Here you can either add a new product or open an existing one. Start by adding your product details, such as the product title, description, and other information. Then, in the media section, add all the product images, including the images for each color variant. Now scroll down a bit, and you will find the variants section. This section allows you to display all your product colors. Click on Add options like size or color. In the option name field, add the option, for example, shirt. Then in the option values, enter each color variant. For example, type black in the first field, then white in the next. You can add as many color values as you need. After adding your options, click Done to save them. Now scroll down, and you will see that all your color variants have been created, but we still need to assign the correct product images to each variant. Let's do that one by one. Click on the image icon next to the black variant. A new tab will appear where you can upload or select one from your existing images to add. Choose the correct image for that color. Repeat the same steps for every variant, black, white, or any additional colors you added. You can also set different prices, adjust inventory, and update stock levels for each variant individually. Once all the changes are complete, navigate to the top and click Save. Now let's preview the product page. Open the product on your storefront, and there you go. You can see that the color variants have been added, and shoppers can now select each color easily. And that's it. This is how you can add color swatches in the Shopify Horizon theme. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.